We are getting ready for a trip for tomorrow and I have so much to do, so I thought I'd bring you along with. Okay, so this is the two boys' suitcase. They share one, so then we save room in the car. I highly recommend doing this. It helps a lot. Okay, on this side we put PJs, so Henry's on top and I have 4 PJs for him. And then for James I put 8. I double for James because he's still 8 months. So just in case, I double his. And same on this side, I have doubled James's outfit, so he has 10. And then Henry has about 6 different clothes, 6 or 7. I need options for them, you know what I mean? Okay, so what I did for today and tomorrow, because we leave tomorrow night, I put their clothes out for the next 2 days. So this is his PJs for tonight and then his PJs for the ride tomorrow, because we're going at night so they can sleep in the car. And then we have their clothes for today and tomorrow. That's Henry's, and then James is down here. Okay, so next is the cooler for the snacks for the car. So let's pack that. I'm using my son's lunchbox to pack the looser things, so applesauce, the fruit snacks, my protein bars, and then some oatmeal cookies. Okay, so I just need to do me and my husband's suitcase and the miscellaneous stuff and the toy bag for the car ride. And then I'm pretty much done. And then tomorrow my plan is to just clean before we leave. We leave at 6-ish at night, so the boys will sleep through the night while we drive through. So let's do that. Okay, so I just have to do my laundry and then I'm ready to pack. Wish me luck on the laundry. I hate laundry. After getting all of my stuff in, I put my husband's church clothes in and I put in our toiletries as well. Okay, I wanted to show you this bag. So this has like all of our, like Henry's chocolate milk. It has like vitamins and stuff in that. We have the bottles that Henry drinks his milk out of. We got James's bottles. We got the pickleball, reusable water balloons and swimsuits. And this one. And then this bag I'm gonna put shoes in. Okay, so I am finally sitting down. It's 9 o'clock, finishing a movie and then going to bed to get ready to go tomorrow. So thanks for joining me on packing today. Talk to you next time. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.